Good morning, friends. Welcome to my videos. So today we are going to see the pre-opening of Nifty. This is going to be the uh, expiry week. Normally, last Thursday of every month will be the expiry. So this is for the beginners, I am telling. So during the expiry week, there will be a lot of fluctuations in the stock prices. So as far as Nifty is concerned, this week it will be like the range bound from 8,800 to 9,300. So the traders are those who are willing to trade in this can buy at 9,050 and sell when it comes to 9,200 in today's moving price. So what are the stocks I can suggest is we can short on Axis Bank, the price 362 with the stop loss of 365 and the target price of 351. If you have missed that price, say suppose the opening is going to be a gap down, there will be initial rebound of Axis Bank. Say up to 362 at that time you can enter, say assuming Axis Bank opens at 357, maybe a gap up, maybe it is higher than the previous close of whatever it is, so there will be a rebound of say 5 rupees, so you can enter at 362, which is the right price, and I have a strict stop loss of 365. And another stock which I want to suggest is M&M Finance. So in the morning, I have seen the trend in the last 3 trading sessions that in the morning there is a huge fluctuation of rupees 5. A bit. So yesterday, if you take the opening of 138 rupees, the open price of 138 went to 144.50. So you wait for the price to go up, say at least 2% from the open price, or you buy 2% down from the open price. So I have a strict stop loss of 1%. Take 1% stop loss from the entry price. Say for example, today open price it should be 136. Okay. So if you want to buy, wait for the price to go to 133, 134. If it goes up, you can enter at 140. So the option band for that will be between 130 and 140. So you should enter when the price is near the option higher band. So what is the option band? The price range varies between 130 and 140. That is the range I am talking about. So you should always take the 135 as a median between 130 and 140. So whatever the price below 135 to 130, so if it nears 130, you just buy. Say if the open price is today is 132 and it is hovering near 130, you have to stay a little cautious. Wait for it to go below 130 and then buy it, and there will be a rebound of the price for another 5 rupees, and then you can make money. Suppose if the opening is just above 135, that is a median range between 130 and 140, you just enter at around 138 for shorting. So even if it goes, I have a stop loss of 143. I have 5 rupees as a stop loss, because sometimes what happens is when there is a huge short covering or a huge bulk buy, the price goes to 140, 141. So if you take, there is a 2 to 3% of higher price from the open price. So there is a insurance for you. Even if it goes beyond 140, again will come back to 130 at the end of the day, where you can sell it off. That is my strategy for M&M Finance. But stay informed that it is a very high volatile stock. You have to play a little carefully. Only experienced traders can do this kind of trading. You can always re-enter. Suppose if you're buying a lot of say 500 shares, you can have a stop loss of 1 rupee, or you can make a loss of say 500 rupees. Again re-enter and make and you know the price, what is the range of it, and then you can re-enter and recover the loss at any time. So you should have the confidence of recovering the loss in case if you incur loss. That is the hallmark of a good trader. You should not worry about the loss in one stock, and you should be able to recover in other stocks. These are things normally people doesn't teach you, so you have to be not be greedy, but at the same time you should not be very fearful about the loss. Okay, in stock market you can't make profit always. Sometimes you have to accept the loss and come out and having the confidence to recover the loss. So that is how you can become a good trader. Always making a profit, you will not know how to recover loss. So you should have the experience of making loss, not a huge loss, but minimum loss you should make when you make a bad decision on a particular day. So those who give ideas, tips are not really 100%, but these are all assumptions and depending on the previous patterns. So we give ideas based on the previous patterns. So sometimes the pattern might go wrong, maybe news driven or expiry driven. We will not know what the future traders and option traders are doing on the particular stock. It's always important to understand the average volume of those things before you decide on a stock. So my way of doing is always look at the option price, the range between the lower range and the upper range, for which, the example which I told for M&M Finance. So you should trade within that range or near to the range. When you buy, you have to buy at the lower end of the range. When you sell, see for the high beta stocks like Bajaj Auto or Bajaj Finance, the range will be 100 rupees. If you see, the range will be like 2000, 2100, 2200, 2000. These are all the option bands. So for example, one example I'll tell you, if the Bajaj Finance goes down, say 1900 rupees, I'll just close my eyes and buy for that early in the morning. Why I'm saying is, there's always a chance that it will recover off of that band. Say from 1900 to 1950, it can go in no time. Also, you have to check the relative strength index at that time. If the price is near that lower band and the RSI is less than 25, I'm damn sure it's going to go up. So close your eyes and buy it, and you will make a good profit. Suppose if you buy 25 shares of Bajaj Finance at lower band when the RSI is down below 30%, definitely you can make 1500 bucks. The range of 50 rupees for 25 shares can make 1000 bucks. If you are investing 50 shares, that is the number that multiply by 50. So 2500 rupees easily can be made. So the relative strength index is the decision maker whether to on how to enter, whether to sell or buy. If it is above 70%, you have to sell. When it is above, when it is below 30%, you have to go and buy. Note, guys, that fluctuations happen between 70 to 30 always. So you should phase your entry between this 30 and 70. There is a chance from 70 it will go to 30, from 30 it will go to 70, or sometimes it will always stay from 30 to 50. So you should have a range between that 30 and 50, or 50 to 70, or 70 to 30. It depends on the trader's experience, how he wants to trade. These are all the trade secrets. Most of the online tutors doesn't talk about it. These are my own strategy which I applied most of the time. I succeeded in entering the price. So trading is a very professional thing which you have to understand the market. Blindly you cannot buy and sell. So only when you lose money you will understand how you should learn. The best experience is you have to try yourself and understand your own pattern and stick with that pattern. Never go with lot of guys saying different patterns. So what I am saying is, I am not asking you to follow me what I am doing. Just have a caution. Learn your own pattern. I am always here to teach different patterns, how to see the entry price. That is why I am putting this video. It is not that I am forcing you to buy or sell this or that. This is just trying to help the retail traders or beginners who are just started trading. I'm just trying to help them out. So my case is a very genuine case. I don't misguide people. I just want to make them earn something. So start with a small profit. Never have greedy mindset like I want to earn 5,000 per day. That's not possible on day one. So you have to have a strategy. Just build your capital first. So start with 10,000 rupees. Build the capital for accumulate that 500, 500. Every day make a habit of 500 rupees per day. Just understand the pattern. Once you understand, when you increase the profit range to 750 per day, that is once you have the huge capital, ask for better margin from your trading platform, say 10% or 50%, 50 times of your capital you are putting. So that will give you enough uh, margin, enough what to say, enough margin to enter into stock. You can buy bulk, maybe 1,000 shares on a sure shots where you'll have more capital. So you have to build your capital first. We cannot do big trades on just a small capital. So you can make a partial profits. If you have to build the profit for your business, right? So you have to accumulate capital. So first, whatever the money you are earning is not for you, it's for your capital first 1 year. So make sure that you don't lose much money. You have an average for a week. Every week I have to make 2,500 bucks. So build that as invest in your own trading. So build your capital for 1 year. So without your knowledge you will find your capital will be in no time 50,000 rupees. From next year, once you get matured and experienced, you can start trading like a real professional trader. Take it from me. If you do this, definitely if you are disciplined, you will not see much loss in your statements, monthly ledger. You will see 90% only profit, only 10% on some rare loss. So I have seen many greedy people having majority of the ledger dominating by loss but not the profit. So that is because of uh, their emotions not controlled and they lack the base knowledge like whatever I discuss in this video, like option option band, checking option band futures, volumes, and range, price range, and relative strength index RSI. You have to understand about RSI and band Bollinger. Next video I'll just explain you what is band Bollinger and RSI, how to trade with us, and also candlestick support. So that will give you enough tools for you to become a great trader. So I hope you this video will be useful to you, and I'm sure that you will like this video. Uh, uh, any questions you please post in this comment. So I am happy to help you. I am happy to train you without any cost. So I have seen people who charge heavily in trading, training in trading, but ultimately people don't get enough weightage on those training. That is because of they make money out of innocence. I don't want to blame anyone. That is the way of their thing. But don't think everyone can become a professional trader on day one. That is done only by experience, not by um just playing by greed or fear. So hope you enjoy this video. You can subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thanks for being online with me. Thank you.